Okay, let's go ahead and we're going to do this the box style. All right, so I need to figure out how many terms are here. So I just go across and go ahead and put my little slashes. And I see I have 1, 2, 3. There are 4 terms here. And here I have 2 terms. So I need a box that is 4 by 2. I put the 4 across usually. You can put it the other way, but I will tell you this is easier. Okay, so I need 1, 2, 4 boxes. Okay. I also add, anyway, let me just write these in there. I'm going to go ahead and write the 3n plus 10 here. And then the 4 terms. Oh, I can't write those up here. Hang on, because remember, this multiplies this to give us this. So we have to use the box and work backwards. I'm going to show you how that works. You're going to add this last row right here. Okay, like that. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is highlight what goes where, meaning I know that when I add these pink together, it's going to give us whatever term is here. When I add these orange together, I had an orange. I do have an orange. Thank you. When I get the oranges together, they're going to combine to be whatever's in this box. And what is that? These 2 boxes here. And I'll show as we go. I'm just kind of highlighting everything so I can fill in the blanks pretty quickly. And the purple ones are here. Got it. Okay, now let me get started. I will tell you the first thing you need to do to get you started, just to get jump started, is you take the very first term and it comes down into this first box. Always. No exception to that rule. 3n squared. Okay, so when we were thinking about our times tables, okay, and I'll bring back up the times tables real quickly. This is what it is. This box is the result of multiplying these 2 together, like in my times table. This 6 represents 3 times 2. Well, if I just had 6 here and I only had the 3 here and I didn't know what was up here, I would know for sure it'd have to be a 2 because 2 times 3 is 6. So I need to figure out what goes up here to give me this 3n squared. Is there anyone who can take a guess? Sound in and guess. What do you think is going to be up here? What do I need to multiply by for that to be a 3n squared?
1n.
Thank you. 100% right. That now we've got, yes?
Wouldn't it be 3n cubed?
Thank you. Okay, so come back and tell me, what does this need to be then?
1n squared.
Thank you.
1n squared.
Yeah, it's that simple. Now that we've got this kick started, okay, to get this box, it's these 2 multiplied together, just like on a times table. So I'm going to get 10n squared. Okay, well, I've told you when we do this multiply, these 2 are going to combine and give me whatever's here. Well, guess where we get this number from? Next one in line is going to pop down and get onto that line. And I should have used, well, I'm going to use pink. Positive 25n squared. I know that these 2 add up to 25n squared. So somebody go out on a limb and tell me what has to be in that box in order for this to be a true statement. Who's got me?
15.
15.
Wait, why is it 10n squared?
Because
in the pink?
10 times n squared is 10n
Oh,
squared.
okay.
Okay, so what else do I need here, though? It's not just 15. It's 15. Because if I combine these, it has to be this. Okay, so now here we go. We know that this, whatever goes here times this, gave us this. So what needs to be up there? Someone chime in, please. Be loud and proud.
5.
A little bit more than just 5. 5 what?
N.
Thank you. N times n will give me n squared. Okay, now that we've got this, 5 times 3, we're going to get, oh, I'm sorry, 5 times 10, 5n times 10 is what's in here. That's the intersection of this and this. So I'm going to get 50. N. Well, guess what comes on this? Who could guess? We got this one started here, but this came down here. Who do you think comes in here? Someone wild and crazy. Just go out on a limb.
62N.
Beautiful, guys. This is how easy this is. Plus 62N. Okay, so I need these boxes to add up to that 62N combined. So what needs to be up in this empty box? Who's got me? Everyone needs to join in. This is how I can prove to administration.
112N cubed.
That's a plus.
12N.
12N. Those will combine to give me this. Okay, and how did we get a 12N when 3N is multiplying something here? How about a 4? Positive. Sorry. It's trying
Wait,
to...
where did 12N?
Because 50N plus something is going to give me 62N.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. So you might say, like, this is my outside of the box, and I actually do this sometimes. All right, so now we know that that's got to be a 4 to get that. So 4 times 10, I get positive 40. What number do you think's coming down here, guys? Follow the pattern. How did we get the other numbers? I got to turn this off.
49 goes down there.
I agree. 49. Let me get my highlighter and get number 49 to come on down. Come on down, baby. Positive 49. Okay, these two numbers are going to add together to give me 49. What do I need in that top right-hand square? And we're basically done.
9.
Thank you. Positive 9. This is my remainder, guys. Apparently, I didn't need those boxes. I drew a little too many. But here's how you write your answer. This is our answer along with the remainder. Now, I need to show you how to appropriately write this. How do you write a remainder? We've been writing it incorrectly. Okay, but I'm going to literally show right now how you're supposed to write it correctly. And I'm going to do a little sidebar while I'm in here. Here's my sidebar. Sorry that keeps doing that. It's trying to hook up to my computer. And there we go. I'll turn it off. Sidebar. If I'd asked you to write as a mixed number, let's go with 17 thirds. And I'm asking you to write this as, a mixed number. You would take 17 under the house. 3 goes into 17 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. And I get a remainder of 2. You don't write remainder 2 like we've been doing. You write 2 thirds because we were dividing by 3 at the beginning. The remainder is on top. The 3 comes on the bottom. We're going to do the same thing here. My answer is this. N squared plus 5N plus 4, and it says plus 9. So I'm going to write plus, and I'm going to write this as a fraction. Well, here we put the remainder on top, and whatever we were dividing by goes on the bottom. Well, same here. We were dividing by all of this. That's my final answer, and that's mathematically correct on how to do this.